Shubhamangalam everybody. My name is Vishang Vardhan. I'm 4th standard. Today I'm going to read a lesson from science subject, that is human body. The teeth, teeth are important. Teeth are important for us as they help us to bite and chew. A baby is born without teeth. By the time it is 8 months old, it gets its first tooth, by the time it is 3 years old, it has 20 teeth. This first set of teeth are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. It is also called temporary teeth because by the time children have 5 or 6 years old, these teeth start falling and they're replaced by another set of teeth and last till old age. This second teeth are called permanent teeth. An adult human being has a set of 32 permanent teeth. However, when a person grows old and permanent teeth also start falling. Structure of tooth. A tooth is made up of 3 parts: crown, neck and root. A crown is a part of the tooth that is visible to us as it is found outside the gum. Neck is a part of found below the crown wherever the tooth touches the gums. The root, the part found inside the gums. It helps us the tooth to stand in place. Outmost covering of a tooth is called enamel. It is the hardest part of the body. It protects the tooth from decay. The next layer of dentine. Next layer is the dentine. It is just below the enamel is hard than enamel. The dentine forms block of the tooth and the yellowish in color. The pulp is found inside the dentine. Pulp is a soft part of the tooth. It has nerves and blood vessels. The tooth receives the nourishment from the pulp. Types of teeth. An adult has 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors help us to bite and cut food. There are 8 incisors, each 4 in each jaw. Canines are sharp pointed teeth. Next found incisors. They help in tearing food. There are 4 canines to the each jaw. Next, the canines are the premolar. They are flat bowed teeth and help in chewing, crushing, grinding food. They have 8 premolars, 4 in each jaw. At the back of mouth are the molars. They are bowed and then premolars help in chewing, grinding and crushing food. There are 12 molars, 6 in each jaw. Care of teeth and gums. We use our teeth to bite and chew food. Sometimes food particles get stuck between our teeth. If we cannot remove, bacteria and germs start feeding on the food particles and damage our teeth. The events lead from formation of cavities or holes in the enamel. The cavity grows bigger and bigger till it reaches it then that over we get a toothache. Over a period, sometimes get covered sticky yellow substance called glue. It is important to keep our teeth clean in order to avoid gum diseases and formation of glue. Following the few ways in which we can take care of our teeth and gums. Brush our teeth twice a day. Twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night. While brushing, make sure to brush along the side and at the back. Always use toothbrush and soft bristles and change it every 3 months. Clean your mouth after eating anything, especially after eating sweets and desserts. Clean your tongue after you brush your teeth. Flow teeth regularly. Give a massage to your gums regularly. Visit a dentist regularly for a checkup. Roll off. Thank you.